I bought this car in November last year with the intentions of using it for car camping all the time. I live in Minnesota, so the weather's been really cold. So I drove up to the north shore of Lake Superior on Friday night after work, and it's time to set up camp. So let's go. Finished making my bed and now I'm just settling in for the evening, waiting to shoot the Milky Way later tonight, so watching some basketball. I switched up the bed setup a little bit so that I've got somewhere to sit, but it should do for tonight. I'm probably only going to be in it for a few hours here and there. The plan's to head down to the lake shore when it gets dark, shoot the Milky Way, and then head back to this camp spot that hopefully will still be free, get some sleep, and then do some hiking in the morning. Not sure where yet. There's a couple of trails near here, but yeah, camping in the North Shore for the first time. Well, not the first time in this car, and first time in a few years, so yeah, looking forward to it. So, the sun's just about set. The game's still going. Gonna have a few more hours to kill. It's kind of weird. Left my girlfriend and my dog at home. So yeah, kind of lonely, but the sky's still clear. That's a good sign. All the haze that we've had this week from the wildfires is pretty much gone. So yeah, a couple more hours and then time to get moving. Okay, time to get a little bit of sleep before going out to shoot the stars. I just took a quick look and yeah, sky's still clear, so just wait a couple of hours for the Milky Way to rise and then we'll be good to go. Pretty successful night. I just got back from shooting the Milky Way, but also got to see the northern lights just right at my campsite. Couldn't really see them with the naked eye, but got a couple of photos which I'll probably show right now. But yeah, I'm gonna get some more sleep and then get up for a sunrise hike and see how the day turns out before driving back to Minneapolis. see, I didn't get up for a sunrise hike. I ended up sleeping in a little bit. Just had some breakfast. I'm gonna head up the road here and do a short hike before heading south a little bit, seeing what else is out there. So yeah, see you on the hike. So now I need to try and figure out turning around. I found a spot to turn around, so now it's time to attempt it on foot. This should go a lot easier. I'd never stopped at this part of the North Shore before, so it was good to see what was around. There aren't many hills up there, but as easy hikes go after a night of little sleep, it wasn't a bad one. I headed up Carlton Peak first to check out the views. Unfortunately, there was a bit of a party happening, so I didn't hang around too long before heading to Toff Peak. By this point the wind was picking up quite a bit, so I didn't hang around there for long either before heading back down towards my car, but only after checking out some rocks on the way. After the hike and a snack, I decided it was time to head back towards the city. But it wouldn't be a trip up north without a stop at the famous Gooseberry Falls on the way home.